Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to go through this fault code here, C1219 steering angle sensor signal. So if you're getting this and you're probably getting like ABS light, traction light, maybe other warning as well, then it will be to do with the steering angle sensor that's built in here. Okay, it's the little circular thing. They tend to go out, they tend to wear out, they tend to snap. If they do, best option would be to get a replacement. You can get a used one on eBay, which is probably the most best option, should we say, as it's the cheapest. Put it on. If you're lucky, you'll just get it with a plug and play. That's it. If that doesn't work, obviously you'll have to code it in and pair it up with something like this diagnostic tool. This is the iCarSoft CR Max BT. It is pretty easy to get to as well. I'm not going to demonstrate it in this video, but I'm just telling you what this fault code is and where to find it. It's literally in here. In this Mitsubishi Outlander, you've got these holes here. You'll have to get to it this way. Take the steering off, take the airbag off, unbolt the steering wheel completely off. But if you're going to do all this, make sure your battery's been disconnected and not connected. In other words, once you get to that, it's literally a piece of cake, should we say. Change it over, put the new one in, and hopefully you won't have no warning. If you do, which most likely you will do, use that.